everyone, in this tutorial let's crochet this beautiful bracelets perfect for this friendship day. This is a very easy pattern, so let's get started. All you need is some crochet cotton. These are some fine cotton yarns. You can also use weight 1 lace yarn. So with that I'm using 7.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use up to 1 millimeter crochet hook and some pearls just to add here. We will first start from here, make these 2 leaf and then work this way and end with this one. We will first start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. Take this end, twist it once and then fold it. Now this is the tail, this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside. After making a slip knot, make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After making 7 chains, turn your work like this. You can see tiny back bars here. This is the first back bar. This is the second back bar. So insert your hook into the second back bar here. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops here. Make a single crochet. After making a single crochet, into the next back bar, we will make a half double crochet. So to make a half double crochet, yarn over once. Insert your hook in the next back bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. And then into the next back bar, make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook in the next back bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through the first 2. Yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this completes a double crochet. Again yarn over, into the next back bar, make a half double crochet. Into the next back bar, we will make a single crochet. And into the last back bar here, we will make a slip stitch. So this completes 1 leaf. Now we will make the second one. For that, make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making 6 chains, as usual, into the second back bar, make a single crochet. Into the next back bar, half double crochet. Into the next back bar, double crochet. Into the next back bar, half double crochet. And into the last back bar here, we will make a single crochet. And then in the same chain where we made our slip stitch, insert your hook there, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes the 2 leaf here. And now we will make 20 chains. After making 20 chains, now make 4 extra chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am now demonstrating this heart. So every heart start with 4 chains. Yarn over, into the 4th chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a double crochet. Now you can see this tiny circle here. So here we will make the heart. So for that, make 2 chains first. And on this double crochet here, make 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook here, yarn over, make your first double crochet. Again yarn over, insert your hook in the same gap, yarn over, make a double crochet. Again in the same gap, make a double crochet. After making 3 double crochets, we will make 3 half double crochet in the same gap. So yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, 3 loops on the hook, pull through all the 3. Again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So we made 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet. And now at the base of this we have chains here. So in that, this is the first chain, this is the second chain. So insert your hook in the second chain, yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this completes 1/2 of the heart. Now we will make this peak here. For that, make 2 chains and again in the same gap make a slip stitch. So this completes this tiny peak here. Now we will make the other half of the heart on this 3 chain space. So we will make 3 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2. Make 3 half double crochets first. I made 3 half double crochet. We will make 3 double crochets now. After making 3 double crochets, we will make 2 chains and slip stitch here. So this completes 1 heart. Now we will make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Pull up a lengthy loop. After making 3 chains, we will add a pearl, small pearl here and lock the pearl. Again, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will start making the second heart here. As usual, make 4 chains. Yarn over into the 4th chain, make a double crochet. And in this circle, we will make second heart now. For that, make 2 chains. Make 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet on this double crochet we just made. I made 3 double crochet. Now we will make 3 half double crochet. So after making 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, at the base you can see these chains. Skip 1 chain into the second chain here. Make a slip stitch and then make 2 chains and again slip stitch in the same chain. And now we will repeat the second half. So for that, make 3 half double crochet, 3 double crochet. After making 3 double crochets, make 2 chains and slip stitch here. This completes the second heart. Now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Pull up a lengthy loop. Add a bead. Lock the bead. And then make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from here onwards, we will make the third heart. So for that, make 4 chains. Yarn over into the 4th chain, make a double crochet. Repeat the same. So in this circle, make 3 double crochets, 3 half double crochets. So first make 2 chains, make 3 double crochets. After making 3 double crochets, make 3 half double crochets. Skip 1 chain into the second chain, make a slip stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch in the same chain gap again. And now we will make the second half this side. So make 3 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch. After making 3 double crochets, make 2 chain and slip stitch. So you can repeat as many times as you want. This is a normal adult size. If you want to make the bracelet even lengthier, go ahead and add 2 or 3 extra hearts, and then I'll show you how to make this. After making the last heart here, make 12 chains. 1, 2, and now into the 6th chain from the hook. So this is the first chain, second chain, third chain, fourth chain, fifth chain and 6th chain. We will make a slip stitch, and now we will work single crochets on this tiny circle here. So insert your hook inside this circle, yarn over and make a single crochet. After making single crochets around, insert your hook in the same chain gap, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly pull the yarn. We will weave this tail and this tail. I'll show you for this one. I'll use the same hook. Trim the excess yarn. Repeat the same this side. So this completes the bracelet. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.